Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm coming back to share with you a very easy and fun short scarf to do with an opening, of course, to secure the scarf when you wear it. So this is done using the moss stitch or the linen stitch pattern. Very easy and straightforward. It's worked from top up and very easy and straightforward. We'll get started right away with a tutorial. So as usual, I'm using medium worsted yarn, acrylic, and 5.5mm crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 17. And 17 is complete. What we're gonna do next, in the third chain from the hook, so 1, 2 and 3, I'm gonna make one single crochet. So the stitch we have skipped, it's the space created by the first stitch or single crochet. I'm gonna skip the next chain and make one single crochet in the next one. First I'm gonna chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet in the next chain, chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet in the next chain, chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet in the following chain. I will do the same till the end of this row. Chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet in the next chain. And skip the next one, single crochet in the last chain. Next row I'm gonna chain 2, and see here the chain 1 is the created spaces where we're gonna work our next single crochet. So we chain 2 and turn. In the first space, which is after the first single crochet, one single crochet, chain 1. In the next space after the single crochet, single crochet, chain 1. In the next space, single crochet, chain 1. We will keep making single crochet, chain 1 until the end of the row. Okay, and here is the last one where we skipped initially after the chain, the last space after the single crochet. Insert the hook, make a single crochet. Going on to the next row, this is the repetition row, always starting with chain 2 and turn, single crochet in the space after the first single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in every space, always chain 1 after the single crochet. We'll repeat the same for the next 20 rows. So 20 rows, and we will see how we will create the opening of the scarf, or the hole for the scarf. So I have finished here 20 rows of the moss stitch or linen stitch, and now I'm gonna show you how to make the opening. So we're gonna work 2 spaces, and we're gonna leave 2 spaces at the end, and we'll make the opening in the middle. Okay, I'll show you how. We'll chain 2, one single crochet in the first space, chain 1, one single crochet in the next space, chain 1. Okay, so we're gonna leave this space and this space, and we're gonna count from here how many stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna chain 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And with the first chain 1, it's 9, so total of 9. Now I'm gonna come to this stitch, and I'm gonna single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet in the last space, chain 2. Again, single crochet in the first space, chain 1. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna skip this single crochet, and I'm gonna work 1 single crochet in the space, in the chain, sorry. So single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, chain 1, and skip 1 and single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, single crochet in the last space. That's it. And now we're going to continue the same as the previous work. Chain 2 and single crochet, chain 1 in every space for the next 80 rows, including these 2. Okay, and this is what you should get at the end. This is the opening of the scarf, and this is the full scarf. Very easy and straightforward. You continue working the same until the end, just the normal linen stitch, single crochet with a chain 1 space for a total of 100 rows. I hope the tutorial was clear and easy, and you'll try and make your own. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.